Alright, so today I'm going to be trying Warheads Colossal Sours. Before the video started, I opened the packet just a little. It's out of this candy bowl over here. The mysterious bowl of candy. You never know.
It's from Halloween.
Alright, here we go. It has the Warhead sign on there. Hope it's not blurry. Here we go. So scared. They're so sour. But crybabies will make you cry. 3, 2, 1. Well, let's see. Never eat Heath bars. They taste like dirt.
Thanks for that. Now put that thing in your mouth.
Okay.
Hold it in there. You don't get sour till you hold it in there.
Oh!
Is it that bad?
Guys, it hurts. Not lying. The aftertaste of the Colossal Sours is just... I'm gonna die.
I bet it made you cry.
It didn't. It's not enough to make me cry, but just wait like 2 minutes after you're done with it, and it hurts. I can feel it. It hurts bad.
By the way, if you taste crybabies, it will actually make you cry. Please never try it.
Note taken.
Please.
Note taken. Well, thanks for watching, and push my mouth to survive. Otherwise, it's gonna die.